Okay, hello everyone. My name is Mustafa Al Hawa. I'm a USM student applying informatics. So this is my seminar about business informatics, which is I have taken this project or this field of informatics because I have some experience with the business and I need to know more about it. So, business informatics, or called organization informatics, it's about designing information system for maximum utility and value of organization, or for maximum profit for an organization. There is a lot of definition about it. Another one is about merging discipline, which is combined business management and information technology and informatics. Another definition is about processing and analysis of information digitally with the aid of computer. So we have a business and there is a technology. So what is the benefit of use both to increase my profit or utility value to the organization? So the business informatics combination is three field: computer science, ITI information system, and business admin. So this is the main structure of business informatics. So the main question is why we are studying business informatics. So we are now in the global marketing, so there is a lot of new companies that entire the world. So these companies need to the information technology and need to the business informatics to achieve for increasing effectiveness and efficiency of business as well, to gaining the competitive advantage. So it is much more than computer science, informatics, information technology. Okay, so this is why we are studying business informatics. So uh, from the definition of the business informatics, we see some similarity to the information system. So there is some difference between IS and business informatics. Okay, information system, which is focusing on format and semantic, by which information is organized and represented. Otherwise, business informatics is getting the right information, which is a semantic of information. Information system focus on supply of technical and motivated by technology development, but addressing the demand that arises from business informatics. Also drawn toward the causes of problem and consider how to invest in technology spending and how to make cost effective. This is information system. Otherwise, information business informatics, which is how to achieve effective of technology and maximum value. So we are talking about from this definition, we are notice that a formation system, it's explanation oriented. Otherwise, business informatics is solution. So business informatics focusing on the solution, how to find the solution for such a problem within business. For okay, the tools that I used for business on informatics, there's a lot of tools, but one of them is business intelligence, which is a tools or system that play key role in the strategic planning with corporation. A law company, which is allow to gathering, store, access, and analysis corporate data to aid in decision making. So, what's business informatics intelligence do? It's analyzing data, which is storing for how can I say, for right now, not for future. The benefit of for business intelligence is improving decision making. Of course, if I gathering the right information and I get right analysis, of course I will be improving my decision making, optimizing internal business, increasing optional efficiency, driving new revenue, and gaining competitive advantage. Of course, if we have if I collecting the right information and I store it, then accessing and apply analysis and get the right results, I will gain the competitive and the new revenue and so that. So business intelligence difference from the business analytics. The business analytics, analyzing in the future, not in today. So this is a main difference. So now we have a lot of data such as customer data, according record data, performance data, also record data, transformation data, also training program data, schedule, all of these in one package, which calls data. Each day the company have all of these different data, so need to access to analyzing. So what is the how to drive the new revenue and gain competitive advantage. So when we have a business, we need to ask themselves what is the daily budget is, what is the revenue, and what is the benefit, what is the best selling product. So this is we can answer this by business informatics, especially in business intelligence and business analysis. So when we're talking about business informatics, we are in a theory part. So let's move on to a practical part, which is e-marketing. So all of us watching the e-marketing right now, e-marketing means using the technology to help to sell product or services, or which is using the information technology and business informatics to selling whether I have services or goods. So today we have a shop which selling a product, big bay services, Grab, which is services, I mean Grab, Drive, yeah, taxi, Lazada product, also Visa card, Mastercard services, Oyo, which is a services. So how can if next part is when I have my businesses, I establish my companies or small business. I need the I need to new customer, and I get my customer on me. Okay, so what I need is to management. How can I management by customer relationship management, which is help me to find a new customer and to keep my customer happy by organization. And I could get the right feedback from them to get a new revenue and be happy from them. How can I get to them by email or by telephone calls or SMS? So there is a lot of strategy to do that. But the main advantage is to make improvement to your bottom line, identify and categorize leads, increase from existing customer, offer a better customer support, improving product and services. Okay, uh, let's see one example for Grab, which is services for selling. 138 million times that's been downloading this application. The revenue for 2016 $1 billion. Another one is for taxi Grab. How which is the revenue 2.3 billion in 2019. So I am showing some example of how e-marketing can impact the world. and businesses. So this is another example: annual e-commerce revenue from Alibaba, selling products from Chinese stores into 2018 or 19. Look at the revenue. Another one is software application. What I mean by software is WhatsApp, Viber, all software devices, even in the mobiles or tablets or in the PCs. So for this is a range from 2018 to 2023. So how can I get this for future analyzing by business analyzing? So the average is $6,339 million in 2023. Another example, which is esports marketing revenue. What I mean by esport is the games sport like PlayStation and games of a PlayStation. How impact these games to the world? Okay, there is some issue of business business of sorry about e-marketing or e-businesses, which is continuous education. We know that technology is being processing. New technology have been appeared, so I need to get this technology to apply it to the informatics, to the businesses. Bad marketing, of course, if we have, if I get the bad marketing, I will lose my customers. Even I buying, selling both services or goods. Another one is dealing with the IT department, of course. I must dealing with the IT department, especially when I have a website or web application mobile for just like for domain, getting a domain or DNS or something like that, or for networking. Okay, slow internet connection. This is one of my major issue in my country. The internet, of course, if someone have a bad internet connection, he will never doing the purchase because he is afraid if he take if he action the business and the purchase and it is doesn't. So another one is the e-commerce doesn't allow user to touch. Of course, we know some of old customer afraid of this issue, which is the when I just like when I want to buy some clothes, I don't know what is the quality of the clothes because I can't touch it. So this is another one. The other one is a payment. So a lot of people around the world they don't have any bank account, so they can not purchase from the internet. Lack of trust. Some of customers don't trust in companies. Maybe it's from the bad reputation that have, or for new companies. If the new companies disappear, there is a lack of trust on it. Okay, major issue in e-marketing that I have faced is security and privacy. So we all now one of the primary concern that internet users have connection to use. So I am afraid of my personal information to go to the web, my bank account, my birthdays, my names, my family member, all these data is going to the third party. So this is the main concern about marketing. Okay, and another one is the SDGs. Okay, the current business landscape characterized by an original and complex mix of risk and opportunity. The entire marketing can be disrupted in a short time due a countless factor, which is a new technology or a sudden shortage of national resource, new marketing are emerging quickly due to massive trends such as population growth, increased resources, or global health risk. Meanwhile, consumer and investors are better informed than ever before, and they want companies to take responsibilities for the pressure on the planet. So in January 1st, 2016, the 17 Sustainable Development Goal of 2013 agenda for sustainable development chosen by world leader in September 2015. And historical United Nations summit come into force formally over the next 15 years. With these new goals that apply to all, countries will gather offer to the end of the form of poverty. It is clear that SDGs not define only the upcoming goals in 2030 for a sustainable world, but also define the opportunity for the new business world how to be, to achieve and access. We need to turn global and business, the United Nations Global Impact and Community to being for this transformation. I have noticed that Penang City apply also. She want to be city number one in Malaysia, the Penang City. Okay, this is the SDGs. So, what is the steps for applying the SDGs? Is to understand the SDGs and defining priorities, setting goals, and integration, and also reporting and communication. What is the future of informatics, business informatics way? First one in the channels, how can get to the customer by smart home devices, virtual reality, augmented reality, and dark social. What is the approach by AI driven customer first, customer leads. About the technology, also artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, machine learning, also blockchain. About the strategy, digital, location based everything, resurface, direct mail, phone, user generation influence. So this is a lot of some of future AI content with shake up traditional context with just like Google machine when you typing something he using the AI to for increasing your research for future. Another one is which video content is in king of websites, social media. So as now 75 million people in USA sorry watching online video every day. Nearly 15 of all videos watched by mobile device. Video with 2 minutes will become most engagement. So if I have some businesses and I need to attract people, I will use a video because people attractive with video more than vast advertising by roads or TVs or email. CROs is conversion rate optimization, which mean I a practice of pricing by complying visitor, how much the visitor visit my site and how long he will stay and why he didn't make the purchase. So what is the where is mouse located when he left the site, which is help to increase the knowledge for business informatics to the e-marketing. So this is a question and Q&A First one, what is the business informatics? Why we are studying business informatics? And what is the difference between information system and business informatics? What is meaning by business intelligence? How business informatics impact the business with examples. What is the issue of e-marketing? How can CRM be an advantage in e-marketing and CRO? This is the and thank you. Goodbye.